Hello everyone, welcome to Shiv Raja. In today's video we're going to discuss concrete, one of the most widely used construction materials in the world. Every construction material has its strengths and weaknesses, and concrete is no exception. So let's dive in and explore the advantages and disadvantages of concrete. First, let's talk about the advantages of concrete. Concrete can be shaped into any form or structure based on your design requirements. The raw materials required for producing concrete are easily accessible in the market. Compared to materials like steel or timber, concrete structures require minimal maintenance over their lifespan. Concrete offers excellent fire resistance and can withstand prolonged exposure to water, making it highly durable. Concrete has a remarkable ability to resist compressive forces, ensuring rigidity and reducing vibrations in structures. It is a cost-effective material that doesn't require highly skilled labor for construction, unlike steel or timber. These are some of the key advantages of concrete, but like any material, concrete also has its limitations. Let's take a closer look at its disadvantages. Now, let's discuss the disadvantages of concrete. While concrete is strong under compression, it has low tensile strength and requires reinforcement with steel to resist tension. Construction with concrete necessitates the use of formwork, which adds to the cost and labor requirements. Compared to steel, concrete has a lower strength relative to its weight, making it less efficient for certain applications. Concrete undergoes volume changes over time. For instance, if drying shrinkage is restrained, it can lead to cracking. The quality of concrete depends on proper proportioning, mixing, placement and curing, which can lead to inconsistencies if not done correctly. Perhaps the most significant disadvantage of concrete is its environmental footprint. Cement, the primary ingredient in concrete, is responsible for 5 to 7% of global carbon dioxide emissions. So, there you have it, the advantages and disadvantages of concrete. As we've seen, concrete is an incredibly versatile and durable material, but it's essential to consider its limitations, especially its environmental impact, when choosing it for construction. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Shiv Raja. Have questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Your dreams, our designs, Shiv Raja.